Everyday use can take a toll on your vehicle's appearance, especially around door handles where fingernails, rings, and keys often leave visible marks. These carbon fiber door handle cup protectors are designed to solve that problem while enhancing the overall look of your car. With a sleek black carbon fiber finish, they add a modern, sporty touch while helping keep your paint looking clean and well cared for. Each package includes 4 carbon fiber stickers, enough to protect one vehicle. Made from high-quality self-adhesive carbon fiber material, these protectors are built to perform reliably in extreme conditions. They maintain strong adhesion and shape across a wide temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they will not fade, crack, deform, or fall off through hot summers or cold winters. Durability is paired with everyday practicality. The water-resistant surface allows you to wash your car as usual without worrying about damage or peeling. When it comes time to remove them, the stickers come off easily and cleanly, leaving no residue or marks behind on the paint. This makes them a safe and non-marking solution for long-term protection. In addition to preventing scratches, these door handle cup protectors help maintain a newer appearance by covering areas that typically show wear first. Their clean design follows current styling trends and blends well with most vehicle colors, making them both functional and visually appealing. They also make a thoughtful gift for car owners who care about keeping their vehicle in great condition. With a universal size of 2.68 by 3.35 inches, these protectors are designed to fit most vehicles with pull-out style door handles. Before ordering, it is recommended to check your handle cup shape and size for compatibility. If you want an affordable and effective way to protect your car while adding a refined look, click the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel for more car accessories, honest reviews, and practical upgrades.